Welcome to Playa del Carmen, one of the Riviera Maya's most dynamic beach towns. And just steps away from its heart, you'll find this stunning one-bedroom condo. Located in a contemporary building with natural design elements and decorative accents, this unit offers 46 square meters of bright, intelligently distributed space. Large windows fill the interior with light, and the living area opens up to a full wall window and private terrace. But the real highlight is the rooftop. With a panoramic view of the ocean, you can enjoy an infinity pool, sky bar, jacuzzis, and a relaxing hammock area, all while taking in the Caribbean breeze. And when it's time to work or stay productive, you'll appreciate the fully equipped co-working space, yoga zone, gym, and spa. Additional amenities include 24-hour security, laundry facilities, reading lounges, elevators, bike racks, and fast Wi-Fi. Whether you're looking for a beachside residence or an income-generating property, this condo offers the perfect balance of design, location, and lifestyle. Just 5 minutes walking from the beach and Playa del Carmen's iconic Fifth Avenue. The Cancun International Airport is just an hour away. This unit is ready for immediate delivery. At Selva Realty, we don't just find you a house, we find you the home of your dreams.